What if I told you that the music you're hearing right now comes from space? We are listening to the sound of the Bubble Nebula, a massive and scorching star located 7,100 light-years away and spanning 7 light-years in size. NASA, along with telescopes like Hubble and James Webb, has taken observational data and transformed it into frequencies perceivable by the human ear. At first glance, the universe seems silent because sound cannot travel through the vacuum of space. But in reality, we are witnessing a cosmic symphony, born from celestial bodies. The birth and death of stars, the rings of Saturn, or the magnetism of black holes. Now, I leave you alone with this orchestra. Share your thoughts in the comments.